This is OPPO A77 and today I would like to show how you can check your data usage on this device. So to start, you will need to launch settings. Then, if you would like to see your Wi-Fi data usage, go for the Wi-Fi section, then more settings, and in here you'll have the Wi-Fi data usage statistics. On the other hand, if you would like to see your cellular data usage, get back to the main settings page, re-enter another category, that is mobile network this time, then go for the data usage, and here you can check the amount of data, mobile data used through SIM1 and SIM2 respectively. And if you will have any data usage at all, any mobile data usage at all, you'll be also able to open this data used by app section, since as you can clearly see, now it is unavailable. So let me quickly use a few kilobytes of mobile data to show you. Yep, so as you can see, the data usage by app section became available. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.